Hi, welcome to Villa Egret, an amazing and luxury villa with a spectacular sea view and great location. "520 square meters built, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a fully fitted kitchen and also a lift to reach a specific floor. The master bedroom of course has incredible sea views, so you can enjoy the sunshine in the morning. The garden has a 40 meters long swimming pool with many green areas around, covered and uncovered terraces spread over 1,300 square meters plot. In the basement there is a sauna, a hammam and also an open space for a gym. And also there is this big garage for 4 cars. Los Flamingos is a gated community near golf courses, the very well-known Villa Padierna hotel, and also just 5 minutes away from the beach. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more information about this amazing villa, please contact us.